Hello, here's the car tuning station. This is the Jaguar BSD system. Range Rover Jaguar system, BSD system. See the product. Junior one. Yeah, the junior one. And this is the sport. The mirror. The mirror is with dimming function. With dimming is a genuine part, original one. Gentex, yeah, USA Gentex. And this is the harmonious cables. Is a plug and play here. We will have the installation guide, and also we already mark here. We assemble these cables is GND is to ground, and this is power, and this is to which where to this is the cam high cam bus high, and this is cam bus low like this, and this also we write a pass number here already. This around to which pin which socket. Yeah, easy to install. And for coding we support coding also. Car tuning station. Junior bright spot system for Jaguar also have available for the Range Rover.